Now that the weather's getting colder, here are a few stylish ways to tie a scarf. 1. The tie knot. Tie the scarf right at the first button of your shirt, then wrap it around your neck once and pull it through the loop. Perfect for anyone who gets cold easily but still wants to look stylish. 2. The wheat knot. Wrap the scarf around your neck once and tie a knot. Then braid the two ends of the scarf with the part around your neck to create a wheat-shaped pattern. You'll definitely turn heads when you walk down the street. 3. The bunny ear knot. Cross the scarf and tie a knot. Wrap it around your neck once, then thread both ends through the knot's opening. A cute pair of bunny ears appears, stylish and elegant. 4. The rose knot. Fold the scarf into a triangle, layer it together, tie a knot in the middle, then open the small petals to shape it into a rose. It looks elegant and classy. 5. The teardrop knot. Drape the scarf over your neck, twist it in front of your chest and tie a knot. Tuck the scarf's corners into the knot, adjust it a bit, and you'll look like a confident professional woman. 6. The long ribbon bow. Drape the scarf over your neck, cross it in front of your chest, and tie a bow. It's highly decorative, pretty, and youthful. 7. The Hermes knot. Wrap the scarf around your neck once, cross the ends twice, pull them through the loop, then tuck them back inside. Clean, polished, and chic. 8. The long scarf wrap. Lay the scarf across the back of your hands, twist outward twice, then drape it around your neck. Pull the remaining part through the opening. Warm and fashionable. Have you learned these practical and stylish scarf tying methods?